Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Matt here with Greenbar Trading. I'm going to go over my trades on SPY today. Really, just knowing those key levels is absolutely key. And we show these key levels every single morning in our Discord. This is how I trade. I trade off of my key levels, either taking puts if we're at that supply zone, if we're at resistance, or taking calls if we're at demand or if we're at support. So that's the way that I trade. I try to wait, do my best to wait until it gets to that level before taking a trade. All right. Before I get into it, as always, please hit the thumbs up for the video. And if you are new, consider subscribing to the channel. So I made $332 today taking 3 SPY puts. All right. So just so you know, trading part-time, you can still make a decent amount of money. The amount that I had to put out was a little more than $1,000 to make over 300. That's a 30% return on that investment. And I was able to go watch my daughter down at her school play while this trade was taking place. So that's just trading part-time right there for you. So if any of you are trading part-time, you can do this, all right? So let's get into the actual setup, what I was looking at, all right? So this is scaling out. Now, if you don't know what scaling out means, it means to buy your trade, your initial trade. You would have to obviously buy multiple contracts, and then you sell them at profit, at price targets that you're looking for price to come to. And it should look like this, right? So it should be going up in value. Now, the last one, sometimes if you're holding onto a runner, that can come back against you, but you've already locked in profit. This happened to be a really A-plus trade, all right? Having my last scale out being at, the most amount. So that was good. Now, what was I looking at? This is what we were looking at right here. So my key levels that I post before the market opens, right? We had a key level here at 428.44. We had a key level here at 429.61. We hit a high of 429.62. That's very rare to get a price level within a penny, just so you guys are aware. I'm not trying to say that I'm some kind of guru. That is rare to get within a penny. But we did, and I ended up getting in on that candle, that 951 candle. And I'll show you guys here just so you don't think that I'm just making this up. I bought the puts at 951 and 13 seconds. That's this candle right here. So I pegged the absolute top of the market as of right now, just pegged that top. And my first put that I took off was right here. Now, why did I take this off here? Because I was looking to take profit off of this area right here. So we saw that bounce, and then as it was coming back down, took off my first put. So now one is in the books, locked in profit. Came down further, bounced around a little bit, and then ended up taking my second off right here where I saw support. So came right back down, took it off right there, let the third one roll, and took that off right here as we broke this, okay? That's what I was looking for. That's what I was looking for. So I had my price targets to take profit and ended up getting out of my last one here on this candle. This 1152 candle will come in. I'll show you guys at 1152. So to sum this up, I basically hit the top and the bottom of the market so far. Now it's only 12 o'clock. It's noon Eastern Standard Time. Anything can happen. This can continue to go down. But I think locking in the $332 is enough for me, right? And I did take 9 days out on my expiration. I do not trade same day. I don't trade next day. I like to give these time to work out. This just happened to work out. I wasn't expecting to take my profit all in one day. I really wasn't. This was more of a swing trade, but holding on to all that premium, why not take that off the table? Especially it's $1,000 of capital outlay to make over 300. That's 30% right here in the morning. Like I said, while I was at my daughter's play at school. So had to do that, had to take it off. Can always look for another trade. But what was I looking at? If we look at this on the 15-minute chart, this is what we were looking at right here. So you had 2 days ago a tough time here. You had a really nice supply zone, right? This was supply up here. And you can tell what a supply zone is when you see a really quick sell-off. So then coming back into that supply zone, that's why it was a key level, I was looking for this to sell off. And that's exactly what happened. That's why that was the key level there. That's why I took my trade there. I also took the trade there because SPX was coming back up to that 4,300 level, that 4,300, basically psych level. So this was just a multiple confluence trade for me. Really worked out well and, finished up with that $332. Hope you guys learned anything. If you have any questions, leave it down below. I answer every comment. All right. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up. Take care, guys.